I think communication. We like to follow up with phone calls, text messages, give you status updates, and you'll get a communication with a full picture into what is going on with your car.
And the fact that I get a full assessment every time I come of my car, they let me know what needs to be done immediately, what can be held off for, another 10,000 miles or so. So I like that. They just kind of lay it out for you.
You'll get pictures of leaks, you'll get pictures of brake pads, you'll get pictures of the life of the tire remaining. That's unique. A lot of shops, they'll pick up the phone and tell you, and you say, yeah, you seem trustworthy, gotcha. But now you can do that and you can see the picture so you can follow along with the process, and maybe you say, look, the leak's not that bad, let's hold off until next service and we'll reevaluate it. No problem. But now you have that option. So I would say those things set us apart from the competition. I think that's what people love about us, and there's so much more.